how to organize a so-called collective or a group Zoom cloud meeting, so that to engage the majority of our group to participate in this Zoom discussion on some kind of theme or topic in order to improve our English skills, to upgrade our levels. What actually I decided to do, like yesterday late in the evening, I spent like 30 minutes on creation of a chatbot funnel. I'm clicking on the button to get started. And here we go. And just right now will appear our message, actually our pic, and under this like animated video, and under the speaker or the message, some warm greetings. Our English teachers community keeps growing. I believe everyone can agree on the point that it's really inconvenient to arrange Zoom discussions due to our time differences and our disability to keep in mind info, a name or country on each of our members. So based on this fact, I've created this panel to collect info, names, countries, time zones, which is on spot to be transferred to Google Sheets, forming a list of members. So the list of members will be available for everyone. I've posted an open link in the group. So click on the button below and answer a couple of questions. And now a person, when clicking on this button, will answer questions, and his or her answers will be transferred to the Google Sheets file, where all the info will be kept and all the members will see it. And it will be easier to arrange a group cloud meetings. Well, great. What's your name? So, Uyana. So, well done. What country are you from? Ukraine. Well, and now, welcome. Really, it's indeed an amazing place to visit. What town do you live in? Like, in my case, Rodonetsk. So congrats, you reached a dead end. Here's the last question. What is your time zone, or GMT? So my GMT is the following, actually. GMT plus 2. So guys, here is our Google Sheet file, our list of members, and you can see on my example that actually all data that I've filled in answering the questions inside the chatbot, all data has been transferred and is actually kept here. So guys, organize your things, your daily routine things, or some things concerning your business activity life in a simple way by using digital marketing tools such as chatbot sales funnels. Or not just sales funnels or just chatbots. If you want to do the same, if you'd like to start creating chatbot funnels for your life or your business life, just get subscribed for my course, the link of which is in the bio. Have a nice day. Take care.